Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, you guys. It's 8:30 right now, you guys, and I just received my first offer, you guys. $16. It's a shopping order, and it's going 3.7 miles. So I'm only going in to shop for 12 items. So why not? Let's go in, y'all. Let's go. Everything. Hold on. Let's go at checkout. Have our own spark area, you guys, and we have to open it right now. All right, guys, let's go. 9 minutes to deliver. Only 9 minutes, y'all. 9 minutes. I am here. You guys, it's 9:56. 9:56, and I just received another order, you guys. My second order. $31, y'all. $31. And I know they're gonna bring it because it's ready. It's ready, y'all. They're not gonna cancel this one. They're not gonna cancel this order because it's already ready. So I am super happy about this. And yeah, but it's going 12 miles. $31 for 12 miles, you guys. 3 customer drop off. So I can't wait. I cannot wait. Guys, oh my god, thank god my order is safe, my money is safe, my $31 is safe. Yo, Walmart, they just called me and they say, hey, we see that you're here but you haven't put in your parking number. I'm like, oh, yo, I went so fast to put my parking number in. I forgot about it, you guys. I forgot to do arrival. I forgot to put the parking number in, and I'm just so thankful they did not cancel this order, because usually they cancel it, y'all. They be canceling it. So yeah, here it is. She's coming, y'all. She's coming. Okay, y'all, we have everything in here. There in the front over there. So our first drop off is 10 minutes away, y'all. 10 minutes. So let's go, y'all. Let's go. All right, you guys, I'm here for the first drop off. So let's take these groceries out. Okay, I'm here for the second drop off. Let's go see what we have. It's in the trunks. Most of the time, you guys, I don't be knowing what we have, because I don't be going outside to check. Okay, not bad. It's not bad. This is like 2 trips or 1 trip. Okay, that was 2 trips. Let's go take our last one. Delivered our last one. Right, let's go back at Walmart. Shopping order, $20 shopping for 2 people, y'all. 2 people. Let's go. I'm done shopping, so right now I'm at the very first customer's house. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
All right, you just stick it down there on the floor. Oh, your hair is good.
Thank you.
Who did it?
My friend. We received another shopping order, you guys. $16 shopping order, only 3 items. So why not? 6 miles though, but we don't care. Let's go shop for this order. Hold on, let's go. Let's go deliver it. Y'all, it took us 12 minutes to get here. 12 minutes. So we're at the house. Can we take this in 1 trip? Yeah. I don't want to use my wagon, yeah. I can handle this. I can handle it. All right. Yo, today so far it's so good, you guys. It's 2 p.m. and I already have over 100. Let me tell you, since I do this park full time, when I start in the morning like around 8, 7, and it gets to 11, if I am over $50, I'm good. If I get to 2 p.m, if I'm over $100, I'm good. Because that way it gives me hope. Okay, today I'm gonna make at least 150 up, you know. So I love it today. It's not busy, but it's steady. Like I'm getting orders, although they're not paying big, but it's alright. You know, it's okay. I'm thankful. I am super. I'm thankful, y'all. You guys, it's 4:10 right now. 4:10, and I don't know when was the last time that I talked to you guys, but I did some orders in between. So I don't know if I did 2 orders or 1. I don't remember where I left you guys from. So anyway, I just received an order, y'all. $16 for 2 customer drop off, and they're about to bring it outside because it's ready. The pickup time was 4:10 and right now it's 4:10, so let's just wait for them to bring an order. So far so good. It's 4:10 and right now I have 147, y'all. 147. So I'm about to hit my first goal and we're gonna be on our second goal. Can we make our second goal today, which is $200? I told you guys my first goal of the day is 100. If I pass 100, it's gonna be 150. If I pass 150, it's gonna be a 200. So so far so good. I can't complain. I still have like 3 more hours to work, so whatever money I make in these 3 hours, that's it, y'all. It's gonna be here and I'm gonna be super thankful. But today was a great Thursday, y'all. I did not expect it to be this good today, but it turned out to be good, y'all. I can't complain. I haven't waited for an order over than 30 minutes, y'all. That's how good it is. I haven't waited for an order over 30 minutes. First drop off. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm good. Just received another offer, you guys. $24. $24 for 70 miles. And it's going, we're dropping 3 customers. We have 3 customers to drop off. So I am very happy, y'all. I'm very happy, and it's 4:51 right now. 4:51. Hey, you guys. 1 more to go. This is the last one to drop. Already dropped 2 of them. So let's go. Ooh, step in water, y'all. Seems like this party was raining. But where I came from, it didn't rain at all. This place was raining. All right, let's go back at Walmart. So I just received another order, you guys. $23 through I can't talk. 3 customer drop off, and it's going only 6 miles. First drop off, it's 7 minutes away, y'all. 7 minutes. Let's go. You guys, the day's over. My day is over. I'm super thankful for today, you guys. It is 7 after I finish my after I finish my last drop off, you guys. I say, you know what? Let me make it my last one. So I'm not gonna take the order for 8:07. I am going home. But guess how much money we made, you guys? 196, yeah, 196. I'm super happy about it. I am very grateful. 196, y'all, it's a lot of money to make. $196 is a lot of money to be made, you guys. Super thankful. So you guys, if you enjoy watching this content, this kind of content, and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.